What's up guys, and welcome to another video. In this video we'll be talking about the current Bitcoin breakdown right here and what should be our price target. In this video we'll be talking about the current Bitcoin breakdown right here and what should be our price target. On the daily time frame we see that Bitcoin is breaking down, and if you go to the hourly time frame it is really down. If you go to the hourly time frame, like the hourly time frame, you see something like this, a massive drop down, which we started yesterday, and then Bitcoin broke through $25,000 again. This thing started yesterday. If you go to the hourly time frame you see something like this, and if you go to the 4-hour time frame you see something similar to what I'm showing you guys right here. So today we'll be talking about our price target. What should be our next target? Where do we think Bitcoin is going to come lower? As you see on my previous analysis, this pattern is still right here. So I think if Bitcoin should come to this, our yellow line here, Bitcoin should come as low as this. That will give us on this yellow line, Bitcoin should come as low as this. That means we will be seeing a massive bounce back again. But if Bitcoin should drop from this point, Bitcoin should drop from this point to Bitcoin should drop from this point down to this point, that is at 21,000. That means that will be a massive dump again. That means Bitcoin will, our target for September as 30K, we will be 100% qualified, because Bitcoin should bounce to this place, fell to this place, there will be a massive bounce that will take Bitcoin to 30,000, our target for September. That means this previous support resistance here will be our next target for Bitcoin. That is what I'm thinking, and that is what I'm seeing. That will be at 30,200. That's what I'm seeing, and that's what I guess will be happening. Okay, so guys, for those of you that will be trading today, whether you are longing the market, because I believe from this point where the market is, there should be a massive retrievement, there should be a massive bounce back on Bitcoin. If for those of you that will be trading, the current price is currently at 24,000K. so if you will be trading the market, Bybit is there for you. On Bybit you could sign up for the this bonus is mostly for the newcomers, for those that will be signing up new. They still have their $4,000 for those of you that will be signing up. And then on Binance, everyone should have Binance. Binance is one of the most secured exchange and one of the most largest exchange and the richest exchange so far in the world. So I believe everybody should have Binance. So you could sign up on Binance using my link on the bio. And then Bgate is also there for us. Bgate is giving an amazing prices, and their prices has to do with how good and how smart you are on trade. Those prices you could win them. So guys, let's go back to the chart, and we should be getting to the hourly time frame, and then from there we'll check what Bitcoin is doing, and then we'll check the dominant. Let's not check Bitcoin dominant today, but let's check the total market cap, because I believe at the last week Bitcoin did a total of 1.15 trillion. So I guess that Bitcoin must have fallen below that for us to see this massive drop this morning. I believe this drop has to do with liquidation. So guys, take a look at the daily time frame and look at what Bitcoin is doing right here. What should be our price target for Bitcoin? I said Bitcoin, if it to fall below, that means our price target to be around 23,500. Take a look at what Bitcoin is doing right here on the daily time frame, guys. You could see at this point here, I believe Bitcoin will have a massive bounce back, because in this particular zone Bitcoin has been unable to break down, and I don't think Bitcoin is breaking down soon. And I think there will be a massive bounce up, because we should be going back. Bitcoin should fill up all this gap here. Man, all this gap right here should be filled. All this gap right here should be filled before September. I believe all this gap right here should be filled, and I don't think there is a massive gap again. If Bitcoin should be coming down, that means we'll be going to 10K. That means that will not be happening soon. But I believe Bitcoin should fill up all this gap that has left right here, taking Bitcoin back to 2020 to 32,000, 2,200. Bitcoin should be coming massively back to this point here. Bitcoin should fill up all this gap, because the massive drop was too much on this space that the massive drop was too much. So I believe Bitcoin should be coming back to fill up all this gap right here. That's what I believe. Bitcoin should be coming back to fill up all these gaps right here. So let's take a look at the total market cap, and then we'll know how much has left the market so far. So guys, take a look at this massive drop right here. Bitcoin did a total of 1.17 trillion this morning, and at this point here at 1.